TAPHEP, Fluorouracil, 5FU, detailed explanation. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Fluorouracil, 5-fluorouracil, 5FU, is the official non-proprietary name of the drug. It belongs to a group of anti-cancer medicines known as fluoropyrimidines. Drug class, antimetabolite, mimics normal cellular substances and interferes with cell metabolism. Antineoplastic agent, used to prevent, inhibit, or stop cancer cell growth. Pyrimidine analog structurally resembles uracil, a pyrimidine base required for DNA and RNA synthesis. Brand names, Adrucil, Afudex, Cream, Tolac. Drug forms, injection, IV bolus, given directly into a vein over a short period. 2. Continuous IV infusion, administered slowly over hours or days using an infusion pump. 3. Topical cream solution, applied to skin lesions for dermatological conditions. Number 2. Definition. Fluorouracil is a cytotoxic chemotherapy drug used to treat various cancers and precancerous skin lesions. It works by interfering with the synthesis of DNA and RNA, which are essential for cell division and growth. Cancer cells divide rapidly and require large amounts of DNA. By blocking DNA production, fluorouracil selectively damages rapidly growing cancer cells. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Step 1. Entry into the cell. After administration, fluorouracil enters both normal and cancer cells. Step 2. Conversion to active metabolites. Inside the cell, 5FU is converted into several active compounds, FD, FUT, FDUTP. Step 3. Inhibition of DNA synthesis. FDM plus thymidylate synthase, right arrow, inhibition of D-team synthesis. FDM binds irreversibly to thymidylate synthase, preventing formation of thymidine. Without thymidine, DNA cannot be synthesized properly. Cell replication stops. Cancer cells undergo apoptosis, cell death. Step 4. RNA damage. FUTP is incorporated into RNA, protein synthesis, cellular metabolism, cell function. Overall result, inhibits tumor growth, causes death of rapidly dividing cancer cells. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes what the body does to the drug absorption. Oral absorption is unpredictable, usually administered intravenously. Topical preparations act locally on the skin. Distribution, distributed throughout body tissues, can enter tumors effectively, limited penetration into the brain. Metabolism. The liver enzyme dihydropyrimidine dehydrogenase, DPD, metabolizes approximately 80 to 85% of administered fluorouracil. Importance of DPD. Patients with DPD deficiency cannot break down 5FU normally, resulting in severe toxicity. Elimination. Metabolites are excreted primarily in urine. Some drug is exhaled as carbon dioxide. Half-life, approximately 10 to 20 minutes, although biological effects last much longer. Number 5. Uses. A. Oncology uses colorectal cancer, most common indication, used before surgery, after surgery, metastatic disease. Breast cancer, combined with other chemotherapy drugs. Gastric cancer, used in advanced stomach cancer. Pancreatic cancer, often used in combination regimens. Head and neck cancer, used with radiation therapy. Esophageal cancer, helps shrink tumors before surgery. Anal cancer, combined with radiation therapy. B. Dermatological uses. Actinic keratosis, precancerous skin lesions caused by sun exposure. Superficial basal cell carcinoma, a type of skin cancer affecting the outer skin layers. Number 6. Indications. An indication is a medical condition for which the drug is approved or commonly prescribed. Approved indications: colorectal adenocarcinoma, breast adenocarcinoma, gastric adenocarcinoma, pancreatic carcinoma, head and neck cancers, actinic keratosis, superficial basal cell carcinoma. Off-label uses: certain gynecologic cancers, hepatobiliary cancers, combination chemotherapy protocols. Number 7. Contraindications. A contraindication is a situation in which a drug should not be used because the risks outweigh the benefits. Absolute contraindications: hypersensitivity, previous allergic reaction to fluorouracil, severe bone marrow suppression, existing severe neutropenia, leukopenia, thrombocytopenia. Complete DPD deficiency can cause fatal toxicity. Severe infection, risk of worsening infection due to immunosuppression. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions: liver disease. The liver metabolizes fluorouracil. Impaired function may increase toxicity. Kidney disease, reduced elimination may increase adverse effects. Heart disease, fluorouracil may cause angina, arrhythmias, myocardial ischemia. Previous radiation therapy may increase toxicity. Elderly patients more susceptible to myelosuppression, dehydration, severe diarrhea. Pregnancy. Fluorouracil may cause fetal death, cause congenital abnormalities. Pregnancy should be avoided. Breastfeeding drug may pass into breast milk. Number 9. How to use. Intravenous administration. Bolus injection administered directly into a vein over minutes. Continuous infusion delivered slowly over 24 hours, 48 hours, several days. Often requires central venous catheter, infusion pump. Topical application. 1. Wash affected area. 2. Apply thin layer. 3. Avoid eyes and mouth. 4. Wash hands afterward. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults or dosage. Doses depend on body surface area BSA, cancer type, combination regimen, organ function. Typical range, 400 to 600 milligrams per mirror IV. Combination regimens. Folfox contains fluorouracil, leucovorin, oxaliplatin. Folfury contains fluorouracil, leucovorin, irinotecan. Topical dosing, usually once or twice daily, 2 to 6 weeks. Number 11. Miss dose and overdose. Miss IV therapy, contact oncology unit immediately. Topical therapy. Apply when remembered unless near next dose. Overdose symptoms. Gastrointestinal, severe diarrhea, persistent vomiting, hematologic, severe neutropenia, bone marrow failure, mucosal, severe mouth ulcers, treatment. No simple antidote for most situations. Management includes hospitalization, IV fluids, blood products, infection control. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Seek immediate medical attention for severe diarrhea, can cause dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Mouth ulcers may indicate excessive toxicity. Fever, possible life-threatening infection. Chest pain may indicate cardiotoxicity. Severe skin reactions could require discontinuation. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects, gastrointestinal, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, dermatologic, hair thinning, skin irritation, general, fatigue, weakness. Serious side effects, myelosuppression, reduction in white blood cells, red blood cells, platelets, can cause infection, anemia, bleeding. Hand-foot syndrome symptoms, redness, swelling, pain, peeling skin, occurs especially with continuous infusion. Cardiotoxicity manifestations, chest pain, coronary vasospasm, arrhythmias, rare myocardial infarction. Number 14, vital information DPD testing. Many institutions perform DPD screening before therapy. CBC monitoring. Blood counts are checked frequently because neutropenia may occur suddenly, infection risk increases. Infection risk. Patients should report fever, chills, sore throat immediately. Bleeding risk watch for nosebleeds, gum bleeding, easy bruising. Number 15, other drugs that will affect fluorouracil. Drug interactions. Warfarin may significantly increase bleeding risk. Leucovorin enhances the anti-cancer effect of 5-FU but also increases toxicity. Metronidazole may increase fluorouracil toxicity. Vaccines. Avoid live vaccines because immunity is suppressed. Number 16, drug comparison feature 5-FU, capecitabine, route IV, oral convenience, lower, higher, hospital visits, more, fewer cost, often lower, often higher, monitoring, intensive, moderate. Clinical difference 5-FU, preferred when close supervision is needed, useful in hospitalized patients. Capecitabine, converted to 5-FU in tumor tissues, allows outpatient treatment. Number 17, patient teaching. Prevent infection, wash hands frequently, avoid crowded places, avoid contact with sick individuals. Oral care, use soft toothbrush, avoid alcohol-containing mouthwash. Nutrition, eat small frequent meals, stay hydrated, report inability to eat or drink. Sun protection, especially with topical therapy, wear protective clothing, use sunscreen. Monitor symptoms, report immediately, fever 38 degrees Celsius, severe diarrhea, vomiting, mouth sores, bleeding, chest pain, shortness of breath. Adherence, do not skip appointments, complete laboratory monitoring, follow the prescribed treatment schedule exactly. Nursing points important for exams. 1. Monitor CBC, platelet count, and neutrophil count. 2. Assess for diarrhea and dehydration. 3. Observe for mucositis and stomatitis. 4. Monitor for hand-foot syndrome. 5. Watch for signs of infection and bleeding. 6. Assess cardiac symptoms during infusion. 7. Ensure adequate hydration and nutrition. 8. Educate patients regarding sun protection and infection prevention. 9. Verify DPD status when available. 10. Use protective handling precautions because fluorouracil is a cytotoxic drug. Thank you. Have a nice day.